Hey, Max here. I'm creative engineer at Zoo, and I'm going to explain the difference between web and desktop versions. We have both web version and desktop version of Zoo Design Studio. What's the difference? The only difference is that desktop application will save all the files locally on your computer or server or whatever you pick, while web app wouldn't do that. Web application saves every file you're creating in the browser. So whenever you reset your browser, or you reinstall the browser, or you use another browser, or log in from a different computer, you will not see your files. So make sure you're testing out stuff in the browser if needed, if absolutely needed. It's of course the easiest way to start using the app, but if you're creating some real stuff, you use the desktop one. And to do so, you can click the download button on the web version or just download it from our website.